G'day guys, GT12 here. It was a busy week for me. Spent the last week in the hospital due to an appendix I had. It was gangrene and I had to get it out. It was horrible. But I'm all better now. I'm on some morphine tablets to keep me going, to block out all the pain. And everything's going good, so you don't have to worry. I'm currently on holidays now, so you'll be seeing a lot more videos. I'll be uploading each one probably every second day now. These will be things that will be on the forum, things that will happen on the actual Sauropod website, or things like what ifs and things that I would want or what the forum wants. So we have a lot of stuff to go through today. We'll be going through the development blog. We'll be going through one. Last week I said I'll be going through two music, fan-made music artists, but I'll only be doing one. There's three music clips that this person made, and I'll just be going and I'll be showing you 1 minute's worth of a photo slide from the Adelaide convention that I went to. The Adelaide Comic-Con convention that I went to. So yeah, let's get started with the dev blog. So they finished most of the animations for all the Bricktrons, including several completely new ones. They've imported the characters into Unity to compare them with the old ones, and there's a lot of significant difference. They finished debugging and started tweaking the dynamic obstacle avoidance behavior, so now they won't hit each other like they did in the previous demos, and they will be getting into mines more easily. That being said, they can get into mines, meaning that, is that the mines in the caves, or is that the buildings that they made? So who knows, we might be able to mine inside of the actual towers. I mean, inside the actual grounds and buildings. With that being said, if a Brickton were to get trapped within another Brickton's way, they made this animation which will exchange what a Brickton has to another Brickton. This will be was called up by the community, and the developers sought to implement it in, which will be very handy in situations where you're in a rush or not. They started making the bad guy model and sculptress. Nothing's shown yet, they're just going through random ideas, but they started making the mobs for the game. They created an algorithm that will handle the ballistics for the arrows. It's a big in-depth section of the dev blog. It's the most important section of the dev blog. I won't be going through all of it, but they posted a lot of equations for it, which will be over here. So there are the equations right here. D equals V times T. There's also the V equals G take something over something. Yeah, I remember my high school physics class back in year 8, 9. I didn't do in year 10 or 11 or 12 because it got pretty serious back then. It was pretty interesting, but for some reason in the exams I just didn't do that well. So that's pretty much all they had for the dev blog. Next is the fan-made music. The fan-made music, the user that will be highlighting for today's music is Galataron. I think I said your name right. So how this will work is that I'll say the song title, we'll wait to hear it, and we'll go to the next song. So the first music clip that he made was called Happy Innocent Bricktrons. Let's hear a little bit of it now. Cue. stop. I listened to it back before. It was very lifting up, and it was more of a relaxed kind of tone. It will fit perfectly within the game. The next one was called Goodbye Brickton. To what I remembered in the post, it said that this will be when, if the Bricktons were to die, and it would all fade out and it would restart, this song would play. Cue. The next is a level. If they were to create an ice type of level, this sort of song would play on that level. It's for ice, cold, that sort of thing, so let's play that now. Very good song, and I am feeling very cold at the moment. So that's pretty much we went through the dev blog and the fan-made music. Next in the following week, I'll be posting. I made the time lapse of the 3D model I made, but for some reason I used the Lagarith lossless codec and it just did not work in Premiere or After Effects, so I have to remake a different one. But I'll be recording that. Hopefully it will work, and I'll be posting the time-lapse here and along with the final renders. And yeah, and right now I'll be showing you 1 minute's worth of photos I took of cosplayers at the Adelaide Comic Con version. There were a lot of people there, a lot of actors there, a lot of gamers, anime fans, as well as other type of people just like me who wants to have a good time. So here it is, and I hope you enjoyed. See ya.